Hi, I would like to talk to you about something of mine. I had a little trouble sleeping last night in the wee hours of the morning. It's like everything from 12 o'clock to to a little before 4 p.m. was it's like I couldn't settle my brain down to sleep. It's uh, I, I, I tried scripture. I tried call call it green noise, and just uh, anyway, I was just thinking about what to talk about this morning. I was thinking about how how I was a picky eater when I was growing up. Just I mean, I, I just didn't have a liking for most food that was being served. I I didn't like to eat vegetables. Just most of what I would want to eat was graham crackers and peanut butter, which is what my mother made me for lunch when I went to children's language institute. Of course, I would also eat hot dogs and hamburgers, but hardly hardly much else. And then I got sent away to Brightside Center, and it was very hard for me to get me to eat anything besides my usual staple food, my comfort food, and the only food that I really liked eating. I mean, vegetables couldn't. I mean, I had trouble eating them, but I had to eat them because if I didn't, I wouldn't get any dessert. So I basically stomach the vegetables, and of course, I also didn't like having like my food touching each other. I mean, it's very sensitive, and it's I know food all goes into one place. I mean, so there was also a methodical way of my eating food. I would eat the meat, and then I eat one of the sides, and eat another side, and it is, I, I wasn't like that when it comes to fast food. Going to going to McDonald's or Burger King. It's like eat 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 some of the burger, then eat eat some fries, eat some of the burger, eat some of the fries. Just I mean, I I mean, uh, eventually got used to eating vegetables, particularly when they got made into a beef stew or something. But I never really liked eating canned green beans because they taste awful. Gross. I'm just not a big not a big fan of canned green beans, and of course, also not a big fan of well, I wasn't a big fan of eating salad. I was for a time into eating salad when I was out of St. Vincent's, and but I just don't like lettuce because lettuce would either taste very flavorless or taste very trashy. It depends on how long the lettuce has been sitting in the refrigerator. I mean, but eventually I did get used to eating like a variety of food. I mean, and I'm I'm trying to eat more vegetables in my older years. Just I mean, like like eating broccoli. I mean, and spinach. I mean, I'm not sure about eating like Brussels sprouts because I tasted Brussels sprouts and like, ugh, gross. Uh, I've eaten beets, which is kind of like it's sort of like it's sort of like candy without sugar, only not quite as sweet. Just I mean, yeah. I I mean, I'm trying. I'm trying to be less picky about what what I about what to eat and just I mean try to like eat everything in it that I can just but still won't eat canned green beans. I mean, someone else can eat them. And I mean, I like steamed green beans. I mean, just like if like they're fresh off the vine and just washed and just put in like in a little steamer and just I don't mind that. I just I mean I just can't stand the canned beans. And that's what pretty much got a lot of when I was in residential schools, like lots of canned vegetables. I'm glad I'm past that stuff now. Not that I want to go back to just like eating eating graham crackers and peanut butter. Although that wouldn't be a bad snack. Just like a just to have some something in my stomach just to settle the hunger pains. Anyway, that's pretty much all I have to share with you in this video. So have a good day, and may God bless you.